I think the advantages of using a course design rubric, there are several that I can think of. And first of all, it gives you more of that comprehensive picture of, they're both the whole and also all the parts that make up your course. So again, it's an opportunity to think about how to strengthen your class, and just make sure that, everything is working in its proper place. I think another advantage of using a rubric is a sort of a checklist to make sure that you have everything you need. And of course, the third advantage is that, especially with the use of technology, course design is often a team-based kind of activity. So if you have a rubric and if you have a plan, literally you're all on the same page.
But I think in general, any rubric or any tool, any design guide tries to identify the components that are very important to consider when somebody tries to design a course. So, we just want to make sure that those components are analyzed, reflected upon, are carefully integrated into instructional practice. So some of these tools are like checklists, and some of the tools are more, have more information. But at least it is an attempt to outline an instructional process and all the phases of that process.
I think any sort of rubric or guide or standard will essentially help you identify what success means to you, and it will also give you a path to get there. So by looking at the big picture, usually a rubric is going to identify success for your final project. And by looking at that big picture, you know where you're going, and then you can make sure that each step of the way you're keeping that in mind and you're moving toward it. And also the idea that you're being able to track your progress toward that goal, a rubric or a standard will allow you to do that very, very clearly.
Again, a rubric is going to give you a step-by-step process or plan. It's going to help you, again, be organized, develop your timelines, make sure that you get all of the assets and information and so forth that you need to get in an effective and efficient manner. I think that's probably the biggest benefit.